The latest masterpiece of clothing shooting props. Long-sleeved and short-sleeved dresses, strapless coats, hoodies, and pants. One rack can handle it all. The main bracket is installed on the tripod. It has 2 width adjustments, and the inclination on both sides can be adjusted. It's suitable for straight and waist-tightening styles, loose and other styles. There are various specifications of telescopic rods. Can be flexibly installed and adjusted in length. Metal bent pipes can be bent for styling. The collar width, shoulder slope, and shoulder width can be adjusted. Underarm support rods quickly flatten underarm clothes. Insert the cuffs to flatten the cuffs to increase the 3-dimensional effect of the sleeves. The universal expansion slot is fixed on the tripod. Various rods can be installed to create front folds and other styling effects.